the last level of data that the key and most important is affordability. And the reason why is I can get every single thing right. I can walk you into the finance manager's office, we're going to sign, and you realize I can't afford this car. The whole deal is dead. You have spent all this money and time and effort on somebody who can't afford the vehicle, right? So what we do is we take an affordability out view, and that aligns with what Todd is doing, where the first thing we look at is here's their total household income, which is directly reported. It's not survey data. It's not there's not human beings telling us this. This is coming straight from banks, and we apply against that also what are their fixed costs, like their mortgage payments, their current car payments, things like that. And you can keep this stuff very simple. If I know your income is 120K a year, what I will do is take an auto payment that's 10% of your monthly income, right? And that we're going to target you that way. And we have customers now who just doing that. We have partners doing that now who are seeing like a 3x increase in conversions on the outreach that they're doing based on I'm going to show you vehicles that I know are within the income capability that you have, that you can actually afford.
Yeah, I look at affordability. I mean, coming from retail, listen, I screwed up enough and pissed off my finance manager by dropping a customer into my F&I department that could not afford that payment. And that sets up a lot of like bad experience for the consumer, waste time for the dealership, and that consumer is just going to go down to the other store
Yeah.
and go buy the car they could afford because they're going to save face and they're not going to do that with you. Right. So I think aligning on affordability, this is why, I think everyone's pushing so much to have like an accurate vehicle payment calculator, right, on the website, because that's what customers use because they're trying to figure that out. That's why it's so powerful on Zillow, right? I need to know, can I afford this? And what does it really look like? And to me, if we can match and understand the customer's affordability beforehand, and then only show him the right vehicles that align with his cohort, right? Align with his segment, what he falls in, that meets the payment structure that they can actually afford. The propensity to buy goes through the roof. The
Absolutely.
match rate goes through the roof. And customers are like, yeah, that's my range right there.